Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Velvet. I got this palette, and if you'd like to see the swatches and see how I got this eye look, stick around because it's coming up. Okay guys, I've got another Beauty Glazed palette. Here it is. I kept saying it was a dupe for the Lila palette. It is not a dupe for the Lila palette. It is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And here it is. Let's see. There you go. It's a very pretty palette because I'm kind of drawn to the Sunset palette, but I got to quit getting them. I've got too many Sunset palettes as it is. But this one is very pretty. I got one eye done with it. But I thought that we would, I'm going to bend this back. I thought we would do a, go ahead and swatch, and then we will do the, finish up my eye look. So I'm going to swatch this first row, and here we go. The first one is called Copper. It is a beautiful copper color. I couldn't decide whether or not I wanted to use it. Can you see that? Kind of close, I guess. But it has a pretty foil to it. Look, smooth. The next one is called, I put my glasses on so I could see, so I'm sorry. The next one is called Cinnamon. The next one is Cinnamon. And that did not swatch well. I'm going to swatch it again because I've swatched these already and been playing with them. And so I'm just going to swatch that again because it's much prettier, and it's even pretty on the eye. There we go. There we go. The next one is Pearl and Golden. So I'm going to do Pearl and Golden. So here's Pearl. And it's a white. And it's what I have. It's a shimmer. That's what I have on my brow. I only have it on one eye. I've only done one eye. But that's very nice. Next one is called Golden, and it is very golden. I'm having to film in the bathroom because I've got laundry going, and in my room it gets so loud when it spins. Plus the kids are here and the hubby's home. It's at night. Okay. And the last color on that row is called Bronze. That's the Bronze. Very nice. You know, they're a little chunky. I don't mind that because that pats out on the eye good. And so we're going to get to the next one, which is a very chocolatey brown on the eye, and it is called Volcano. I'm going to wash my hand off, and we're just going to do it on the hand. Okay, so Volcano. And that's a matte. And the next one is Sunset. And it's a beautiful brown shimmer. I have it. No, I do not have it on my eyes. I went back and forth about what I wanted. So really a bronze, I guess. Very pretty. The next one is Pumpkin. See that? That's a matte. The next one is called 24 Karat. It's what I have on my lid. And it is beautiful. I mean, it is so beautiful. The last one in that row is called Mocha, and it's a reddish brick color. Very pretty. So we'll go on to the last row, and I'm still trying to wash off my hand. And the next color is called Fleshy, and it's just a pink tone you might use to all over the lid, over your primer. I don't usually powder over my primer. See, for me it's flesh tone. Can't really see it at all. The next one is called Mermaid. It is a beautiful color. The next one is a matte called Rose. And the most terrible swatcher. There you go. And the other brown is called Ash, and I actually have that on the outer third of my eye, and you'll be able to see it when I take my glasses off. But I have to be able to read. Sorry about that. I'm not sorry. So there you go. And then the last color is a beautiful yellow. Can't wait to try it. And it is called Ginger. We'll do it again because I swatched it. It was deeper than that before. But yeah, that's pretty. I think that will look pretty on the eye. So that is the colors. We'll finish up the eye look. I have one eye on. No, I don't have it on the other side. So let me bring you in closer and we'll resume. So I've got y'all zoomed in and I have my mirror, so I'll be looking down. But I'm gonna put this on. Goes on pretty good. I need to wet my brush because that's how I did the other side. I mean, you can see that it goes on well. I started using the smallest little brush, but then I didn't want to change it because I didn't want to have to add another brush to my brushes that need washing. Everybody else hate washing brushes. Go into where people would use their transition shade. I use it at the end. So then I'm going to go into this ash and just deepen this up. And then I'm going to go into that white that's pearl right here to put it right here. It's a little thick and it's going to be a harsh line. Then I go in with what most people would do with their transition shade. So then I'm going to go in with this fleshy right here, just to blend out that harsh line. All right. Oh, clean up that side, because of course I've got all my makeup done. Last thing, I got this little bottle of glitter, and on this one, you can see it. It's just white, and I'll put it right on the middle. It's going to transfer a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and brighten this one back up, because like I said, my stuff will transfer, and this eye's been done probably, I hate to tell y'all, about 2 hours probably before I got to actually sit down, because I had to see about supper and had to stop and start several times. There we go. And I don't like that line, so we're going to muddy that out a little bit. There we go. And let me get my mascara on and finish up my eyeliner, and I'll be back. Okay, so I got both eyes done. And I think they turned out pretty good. My left eye, y'all know, is saggier than my right eye. So there's going to be a little difference, but I'm satisfied with it. I love this palette. I mean, well, I like the Sunset palettes. I can't help myself. But Natasha Denona Sunset palette is $129. This palette I paid $4.69 from AliExpress. Now, you don't have to buy this from AliExpress. You can buy it from Amazon. $4.61 versus $129. You know how I feel about expensive makeup. I just see no need in that. Constantly looking for dupes for overpriced, high-end, overpriced, high-end makeup. That's my thing. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a share. If I can get to 500 subscribers this year, I'm going to have a giveaway. Please share my videos. That's my goal for this year, 500 subscribers. I hope I can get there. Click that little red box at the bottom, or my face if it shows up. I may do that. I struggle with that because I can't get it to do like I want it to. Anyway, please share, like. If you don't like, please like, share. Please comment. I wish you'd comment on the comments below on what kind of videos you'd like to see. And so, until next time, bye-bye.